appeal to the local leaders to stop this issue of political succession. The position of which Mr. Odinga holds as a chairman is still his. He's party leader. And the position is intended to get, which is a EU post, has not come. The position will fall vacant in May next year. We're still in April. Why should we start quarreling and demanding the position there is not yet vacant? Let us wait until May. After that, if we got the position, we will have to think of it and we see what we can do about it. But for now, I'm asking our community to stop this issue of quarreling on a position which is not there by now.
Vitalis Awandunde, as I have said before, it has been said and repeated that we want peace and harmony in this Luo land and our community members. When you are a politician and you want to talk about any issue concerning succession of Raila, please kindly stop it. We don't like it. We should know that we are in between some other communities who are very keen of what we are doing as Luos. So everyone, and more so young politicians, Radier has said about in 1992, we were here, and this question of succession came up. And most of those who tried to make it, nowadays we don't see them. So let us be careful, let us cooperate, we want mainly unity in our community.
Onyango Radier is my name. I'm a former deputy mayor of Kisumu municipality. Currently, I'm chairman of Rarieda branch of ODM. It is no secret that Siaya is a Luo county. It is also not secret that the government of Siaya was formed by ODM. So I'm very grateful to the chairman of Council of Elders, Luo Council of Elders Siaya, for recognizing the fact that the party in Siaya is ODM, and he decided to call us when he saw that something was amiss in the community. Now, what I want to say is, let us understand that Siaya has been blessed. Raila Odinga, who is not only a leader in Luo land, but a leader in the whole country and the world, the African continent, comes from Siaya. It is the same Siaya where Dr. Burogenga, who is also known beyond the borders of Kenya, comes from. It is also in the same Siaya where our governor, James Agirorenko, who is a long-standing politician, somebody who has endured a lot of trouble to fight for the people, is coming from. But we are surprised that some young politicians are going around talking about succeeding Odinga simply because Odinga indicated interest that he wants to serve African continent. Traditionally, you don't have to admire the position of your father when your father is alive. Raila is our father. Let them not reduce leadership of Raila to the Luo community. Raila is a leader of Kenya, and the position Raila holds, especially in the party, although the party started here, the party has grown to become a national party. And let them not reduce that position to that one of the Luo people. We want our young politicians to learn from the first. The similar behavior was there when Jaramogi was nearing his sunset. And those who grumbled for Jaramogi's position are nowhere in the field. The surviving members, leaders of that time is only Raila, Anyang' Nyong'o, and Orengo. And these are people who started long time before these people. So I'm cautioning our young leaders to have a break and understand that as and when opportunity arises, the Luos will get somebody to succeed them. And it will be somebody who can attract other tribes. We are not going to look for somebody simply because he's a Luo, he should succeed Raila.
I talked to the political leaders. They are making a lot of noise in Siaya. I want them to come down and stop making noise. And I said that this is where Baba comes from. We don't want a lot of headache, and we are shameful of Siaya and the leaders, the type of leaders we have. Now, and they are involving also the youth. When we go to the funerals, or when they go to the funerals, there's a lot of noise. People are fighting just because of them. They don't want to share. They don't want to share the same platform. They don't want to talk to each other, except fighting. That should stop forthwith. We are not happy with them, and we are not going to entertain that. As Council of Elders, we are now taking a step and a different step. That whenever we'll hear anything bad, we'll not give them chance. So we are just requesting them to change. As leaders, let them lead by example. We want to see how they talk, how they teach people, so that we follow suit instead of making noise.
My name's again, I'll come to Sokelo Lubalo. As I said, the main thing that we require from the Luos is unity. Unity among the Luos, that's the most important thing that we require to have. The people that tried to divide the Luos never ended well. So I would rather appeal to our young politicians now to be a bit careful, let them preach unity amongst the Luos.
And I want to appreciate the elders team from Siaya for convening such a meeting, and also to tie up with the party officials so that they can guide the community about how to behave when we have such kind of crisis. We are the crises are made by us, because otherwise there's nothing so serious in Kenya or in Luo land that would warrant such kind of noise. They have said that they would wish the Luo community in Siaya to be peaceful and to live in harmony and to respect one another. They have also said that the youth should listen to what the elders say. The elders are there to guide you on what to do, and that is only if you can listen. But if you don't listen, then that one, I think, is your own problem. So I want to request the community, the young people in the Luo community in Siaya particularly, and even the elected leaders in Siaya, to echo what the chairman and his team have said. They have given a very clear direction. Raila comes from Siaya, and our behavior will determine how much we would wish him to get that position. Otherwise, overexcitement is bad. The way we are now, let us not be overexcited with what has not been achieved yet.
Yeah.